as Muslims, we're always looking for that one deed, that home run that's going to make us enter into the Jannah. Say this, do that, enter into the Jannah. When actually what's going to help us reach the Jannah are the consistent small actions. As our beloved Prophet ﷺ said, أحب الأعمال إلى الله, that the most beloved actions to Allah, أدومها وإن قل, the ones that are consistent even if they're small in number. And those small consistent actions are the ones that help us build the strong foundation, the foundation that makes us strong and keeps us firm on the haqq. And when you have that strong foundation, you are more likely to be from the ones who are blessed to hit that home run, to be able to combine between the small consistent actions and those big actions, all of which will help us inshallah enter into the Jannah. We often tend to overlook the small actions, but our beloved Prophet ﷺ, he told us, لا تحقرن من المعروف شيئا, do not belittle anything from the good. He said, even if you meet your brother with wajh talaq, with a cheerful face, an action as small as a smile. And he said in another hadith ﷺ, اتقوا النار, fear the hellfire, ولو بشق تمرة, even if it's just with a half of a date. Because those small deeds, when they're put into our scale of good deeds, Yawm al-Qiyamah, they could be what save us from the hellfire and help us enter into Jannah.